Lister who brings you some nice, sweet and tasty ukulele tutorial. Today we practice the Island Strum. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. But it didn't sound like that. Well, we do it a kind of picking strum style and use the Andalusian chord progression, and so it gets a Spanish flavor. But before I talk here for hours, tune your baritone ukulele in D, G, B, E, come back, and I zoom myself in and we practice the special Island Strum. Okay, here we go. So what I did, I grabbed my E chord with the extra note, that's the E minor, and I played down and rest with my thumb on the third string, which is a rest stroke, down and then down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And so you see it got a smooth and soft element, and it sounds lovely. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Remember? Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, and then we change to the D6 chord. 0, 2, 0, 2. Down, down, up, down, up, down, rest stroke, down, up, up. Then we change to the C chord. Use an extra note, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. By the way, the C is 2, 0, 1, 3. And then we hop over to the B7 chord, which is 1, 2, 0, 2. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, up. And then we do like a chord inversion with our last empty second string. We squish down, and we have a F sharp diminished minor. I think it was B flat 5 chord. And open or finalize the progression. Okay, so E minor, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, D6, down, C, down, down, up, B7, F sharp diminished minor, okie dokie. Give yourself a time, do it slowly, and so you have a Spanish character with the classical Island Strum. We use a rest stroke, and because of this progression, E minor, D6, C, B7, and the inversion, F sharp diminished minor. We have this Spanish flavor also of our picking style. Okay, I hope you did enjoy it. Practice this slowly and watch your fingering style. So I play the E minor like this, then I hop like this on the D6, that my middle finger is free for the C chord. I use the pinky for the extra note to jump over and have the index on the first string, that I can use my middle finger for the F sharp diminish. Okay? If there are any further questions, feel free to contact me. Please like me, please share me, write me a comment. And sorry for this short tutorial today, but I'm pretty busy for looking for an apartment, and but I do my tutorials especially for you because I love you. See you for the next tutorial. Doña.